वेलकम टू PDPM नॉलेज। आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं एडवांस वेल्डिंग के इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQ का पार्ट 17। शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। इन की होल मोड ऑफ लेज़र वेल्डिंग, होल इज स्टेबलाइज्ड बाय द वेल्ड पडल, शील्डिंग गैसेस, प्रेशर ऑफ द वेपर, डी लेज़र बीम। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, प्रेशर ऑफ द वेपर। Now see the explanation. In keyhole welding, in which there is sufficient energy unit length to causes evaporation and hence a hole in the melt pool. This hole is stabilized by the pressure from the vapor being generated. Next question. In a keyhole mode of laser welding, the keyhole behaves like an optical black body, an energy reflector, an energy amplifier, a shielding. Option A is correct, optical black body. The keyhole behaves like an optical black body in that the radiation enters the hole and is subject to a multiple reflection before being able to escape out. Nearly all of the beam energy is absorbed once the keyhole is formed. Next question. Which of the following has the highest joining efficiency? कौन सी ऐसी वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस है जिसकी एफिशिएंसी बहुत ही हाईएस्ट होती है? एसिटिलीन फ्लेम वेल्डिंग, टंगस्टन नॉट गैस वेल्डिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम वेल्डिंग, लेजर वेल्डिंग. Option C is correct, electron beam welding. And different welding have a different efficiency which are given below. You see it. Next question. Flow structure can directly affect the option A, laser beam formation, frozen bead, weld puddle, porosity. Option B is correct, frozen bead. The two principal area of interest in laser beam welding are flow structure, which directly affect the wave formation in the weld pool, and frozen beam geometry. Absorption mechanism, Fresnel absorption during the reflection from the surface. Next question. During the laser beam welding, any hump on the surface can cause option A, increase in the weld porosity, flow instability, higher energy absorption, decrease in the weld thickness. Option C is correct, higher energy absorption. Any hump on the surface will causes localized higher absorption and an explosion due to the instantaneous evaporation. The keyhole wall are fluctuating with flow velocity up to 0.4 meter per second. Next question. The hot plasma vapor emerging from the keyhole may ionize the shielding gas, B, Schröd gas, C, lasing material, D, workpiece material. Option B is correct, Schröd gases. The keyhole contains the considerable metal vapor which is partially absorbing and hence capable of forming a plasma on the further heating. This hot plasma vapor emerging from the keyhole may ionize the Schröd gas. Ionized gas has free electron and is thus capable of absorbing or even blocking the beam. Next question. How many of the following process parameter can affect the welding process? कौन सा ऐसा कितने हैं जो कि ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं जो पावर पल्सेस, वेवलेंथ, गैप, जॉइंट, ज्योमेट्रीज कैन जो कि वेल्डिंग को अफेक्ट करता है? ऑप्शन ए 1 2 3 4. सो मतलब ऑल द अबव ऑप्शंस कैन अफेक्ट द वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस. नाउ सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन. बीम प्रॉपर्टीज, पावर, पल्स और कंटिन्यूअस, स्पोसाइज्ड एंड मोड, पोलराइजेशन, वेवलेंथ, transport properties, speed, focal position, joint geometries. Next question. Which of the following does not affect the operating characteristics in laser welding? कौन सा ऐसा ऑपरेशन है जो लेजर वेल्डिंग में कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करता, ऑपरेटिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को कोई इफेक्ट नहीं करता? ऑप्शन से Schröd गैस कंपोजिशन, मटेरियल सरफेस कंडीशन, कंपोनेंट ओरिएंटेशन, D, Schröd design. Option C is correct, component orientation. Next question. CO2 laser employs gas mixture of nitrogen and helium, hydrogen and helium, C, argon and xenon, oxygen and nitrogen. Option A is correct, nitrogen and helium. These laser employ gas mixture partially containing nitrogen and helium along with a small percentage of carbon dioxide. An electric glow discharge. It is used to pump this laser medium. Next question. Maximum welding speed varies directly with the power. Option A is true, B false. Given statement is true. The maximum welding speed for a given thickness rise with an increase in power. The fall of sound at the higher power level of 2 kilowatt could be attributed to the power poorer mode structure given by the most laser when the working at their peak power. Next question. The pulse repetition factor is considered while determining the welding speed. Option A true, B false. Option A, the given statement are true. The use of the pulse power allowed two more variable. Pulse repetition frequency, percentage overlap to be considered. The welding speed is decided by the following relation: spot size x PRF x 1% overlap. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉरी थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स बने रहिए हमारे साथ हम आपके लिए और भी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस लेकर के आएंगे थैंक यू सो मच